What's up, guys? So this is the light bulb here. So this is the one that was in the Maserati, as you can see, and this is the one that we're replacing it by. All right, so these are the information on there. Just in case you know, you might not be able to find the exact model, but since every year they change it, as you can see, these new bulbs, they're a little bit bulky than the one that was previously in the Maserati, and it tells you the color emission there. So this is like a light orange kind of color, but I'm sure you should be able to change it however you want. So now we're about to operate on this one here and change it. Let's do this. All right, same thing for this one. Just gonna take this cap off, unscrew that real quick. If you have big hands just like I do, it becomes a little bit painful because you can't fit it just anywhere you want. Oh God. I'm gonna do it differently this time. Use the extension. Here it is, pin in the button. Now we official. So let's go ahead and pull this thing out. Uh-oh. Something just fall. Alright, as usual, same thing, guys. Right here is your bulb. So just you see these grooves over here, so this is what we're gonna line with these corners there. So I'm just gonna do that and twist. Alright, it's done. Bingo. Now the hard part, slide this thing in there. Bingo. Take this cover, snap it back. And now the last thing, the last step really is to put these screws in there. You want to make sure you put a little pressure on it so it's sitting straight. Alright, don't forget the cap, my friend, because that's what's stopping it from collecting a bunch of dirt. This is it. So now we're about to test the light, make sure it works. It's starting.